Okay, I love the picture that came out. The picture that I'm talking वो screen पे भी दिखाएंगे हम. When Farhan proposed you in front of the Eiffel Tower, the dream of every girl and guy.
That was really special.
To do. So क्या reaction था उस moment पे? Was this planned or was
Farhan
it
bhai,
just?
I cried so much. No, it wasn't planned for me.
Yeah,
like I didn't know.
But Farhan bhai
He, I'm sure, planned
he'll tell
it.
his side of the story.
Yeah.
You tell
Oh, thank God I didn't cry. नहीं
I cried.
मेरे लिए बहुत वो टेंशन वाला ट्रिप था
हाँ.
because I didn't know. I mean,
Yeah.
I had an idea. That's why I asked the question. But you know,
Later I found out that he had been hiding that ring throughout the trip. ये tension थी basically.
नहीं और
कि बैग में नहीं मिल जाए, यहाँ नहीं मिल जाए, वहाँ नहीं.
नहीं और वो बस एक वो बहुत था कि you know didn't tell her and उसको ये भी कहना है कि आज ड्रेस ऐसा कोई पहनो और इधर and I didn't meet her, like I didn't go with her.
Yeah.
I met her there.
I went to the Eiffel Tower and I saw him there.
I met her there. So
He had
उधर
to make that happen. Yeah,
उधर
yeah.
उस टाइम पे पहुंचाना और ये कि बिल्कुल ही कोई डेनिम ही ना पहनी हो ना उसमें.
कि मैं बाद में कहूँगी कि pictures नहीं अच्छी है.
सही बात है.
So that whole thing was quite, but when it was done, we had
Tension तो
we had a
लेकिन
lot of
definitely.
fun.
I love the picture.
Create
also.
that
वो
moment.
picture बड़ा मजे का था. It was the best picture that came out at this.
Yeah, and the people around us, they were clapping and all that. उस जगह की माहौल ही ऐसा है. मेरा ख्याल है आगे 4-5 और बैठे हुए थे मेरे जैसे.
जिन्होंने अभी करना था.
So यार I want to come to Eiffel Tower again. That was a very beautiful moment. So and आपने अपना reaction नहीं बताया वैसे. रो रही थी. मतलब how
नहीं
did
था.
you?
Well, yeah, she started crying and she hugged me.
Literally. इतनी देर में रोती रही.
Oh, you expecting that वैसे?
Not at all.
For him
Not
being so romantic like that.
मतलब एक
मैंने कहा शायद अभी इतनी देर रो के हट के कि I'm so sorry, you got me wrong.
हाँ वैसे ये भी हो सकता है
ये
कि मैं
भी हो
रो के
सकता
कहूँ कि नहीं. नहीं मतलब अगर हम फिल्मी वे में सोचे कि मैं कहूँ कि
नहीं फिल्मी वे में वो है जो हुआ है.
So I think that moment was very beautiful, as you said. You were crying and it was very filmy, obviously. But then who the first call आपने किसको की इसके बाद?
So मुझे कॉल किसी को इसलिए नहीं करनी पड़ी. My best friends have always been my siblings and they were right there. They were the ones who planned it with him. और एक्चुअली उस दिन सुबह से वो मुझे अनॉय कर रहे थे बहुत ज़्यादा.
अच्छा.
पहले उनको शॉपिंग जाना था सुबह सुबह. मैं कह रही हूँ गाइस सुबह सुबह शॉपिंग. अच्छा अब शॉपिंग पहुँच गए. देन बोथ माई सिबलिंग्स आर टेलिंग मी टू buy this specific dress that I was like it's fine, why buy it right now? They're like नहीं बहुत ही अच्छा है और वो बहुत ही अच्छा है, just buy it. अच्छा मैंने buy कर लिया. Now they're telling me to wear it. Guys, what are you doing? It was so off.
Yeah.
Like अजीब एक माहौल सा बनाया हुआ था, awkward सा कि मैंने कहा क्यों क्या मैं अच्छी नहीं लग रही. मतलब why are you guys saying that? हमने अभी अपना कुछ जो भी घूमना फिरना है या आप टूरिस्टी जगहों पे जाते हो इस तरह की. तो मैं उनको कह रही हूँ वायर. मुझे लगा शायद पता नहीं ये उनको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा मैंने जो पहना हुआ है. मैंने कहा क्यों ये सही है पिक्चर्स के लिए. तो एक लंबी कॉन्वर्सेशन हो रही है while the shopping is happening कि वो मुझे कह रहे हैं ये पहन के ही निकलो मॉल से. हम ये ही पहन कर
I'm
जाएंगे.
glad she didn't get the hint.
I did not. नहीं ये इस तरह की चीज़ तो कोई इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकता ना कि आप कोई मतलब प्रपोजल ही होगा. And also he was not in Europe at the moment.
I was
So-
traveling from India
Yeah,
for a
he
concert.
went with us. Then he
Went
went
back.
to India for a concert. So मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि ये उस
I
दिन
was in
वापस आ रहा
Paris.
है. So yeah,
So,
that
yeah.
is how surprised I was.
Surprising.
और मैं थोड़ी उस बात पे ऑफ थी कि हमारे ट्रिप के बीच में से अच्छा कॉन्सर्ट अच्छा चलो कि he's gonna come back in 3-4 whatever days और ट्रैवलिंग का जो भी टाइम लगेगा. तो मुझे उस दिन की एक्सपेक्टेशन बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी.
कि he will be there and he will be proposed.
कुछ उसने मुझे परसों या तरसों टाइप बताया हुआ था कि मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा and I'll join you guys back in the trip.
Okay.
So yeah, I was a little वो ना कि हाँ अच्छा.
अच्छा okay. But
And
it's
then
so beautiful
yeah,
ऐसे hearing this
shocked
out.
and surprised in a very good way. Yeah.
Okay. Like any other couple, you likely face challenges because हर relationship I feel there's always ups and downs. And how is that one thing that you guys kept it together? And because challenges तो हर इंसान की ज़िंदगी में I feel हमारे भी हर रोज़ आते हैं. So how did you guys kept it together? And like mashallah you're here again. I love you guys together.
हमारे challenges तो काफी सबको
So I
पता ही
like
थे.
I love the hashtag. Honestly, I used it yesterday, but we posted a picture
Okay.
of you.
Which is?
Orhan.
Oh,
I love that. You know, and I think that is what all is about. People love you guys together. So how did you face the challenges in your
See,
personal life?
honestly, our situation was quite clear and it was quite open
Yeah.
in front of everybody. मुझे लगता है one thing which I really respect about her and what went really right in our situation was कि अगर हम थोड़े से whatever happened,
Yeah.
we didn't say or did anything to harm each other.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि सारे couples को जो भी who are gonna be couples or who are already couples, I think one thing it's safe to say that we can tell them कि ये सबसे बड़ा turn off किसी भी
relationship.
कंपेनियन के लिए, दो चाहे दोस्त लड़के हों, दो लड़कियां दोस्त हों,
दोस्ती
you're
में
in
भी जैसे
you're in a
plans
relationship, the first thing you do is that you go behind their back and you start talking. I think
I feel like हमारा उसमें नाराज़गी हो सकती है, लेकिन रिस्पेक्ट was
It's
there.
very important.
It was there.
Yeah.
So which is also why we are always able to resolve things.
I think that door was always open, and then a lot of things that
Yeah.
I mean that's why, and I think a lot of prayers.
Yeah.
And also when you come out of a situation like that, if there's a misunderstanding or if there's a whatever इस तरह की
Yeah.
कोई भी चीज़ अगर किसी के साथ हो, if you are able to emerge out of it, I feel like you come back stronger.
You come back stronger
Yeah.
and prettier.
Yeah.
I say that. That is important. Huh.
Rise in love, they say.
Huh.
You know.
Yeah. that's-
Yeah, that definitely happened.
So I now want to talk about the favorite person apart from you two. Like she's my more favorite person in your family, I would say.
Okay.
I'm sorry, don't judge me, but like she's the most cutest person I've ever met. So life has changed significantly since the arrival of Ara, baby
yeah.
Ara, pretty Ara. So how has parenthood like impacted your life? Because I think बहुत changes आते हैं इंसान की ज़िंदगी में, प्यारे changes.
I don't know how to say it in words, but I feel like it's such a miracle, such a blessing.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है we literally cry almost every day, है ना?
Yeah.
And we are like, मतलब कोई words नहीं हो सकते इसके लिए. But I would say that there's more gratitude in life, there's more joy, there's more love, there's more like everything is just amazing.
I think, I mean, talking about myself, couldn't have ever thought that I can have that feelings for
Yeah,
a human being.
Same,
Yeah.
same.
You know, it's a different ball game altogether.
Yeah.
And I've started respecting her more.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful thing. It's like the concept of life changes, and not that. It just everything becomes more beautiful. You know, it's not that you become less happening.
Yeah.
I tell you, when Ara was about to be born, I went crazy after gym. I started going to gym that I have to be fit for my daughter and I have to be, you know. So it's not that. It's
Yeah, he was all excited to welcome her.
beautiful in every way.
कि वो
It's
कैसा हमें
beautiful.
देखेगा।
I'm more focused on work. Whatever I do, I'm more focused.
And I see the rush that you want to go home as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So there was a thing called FOMO in life.
Uh,
I don't know where it is now. So there's no. It's when we three are together, it's universe. That's it.
It is.
So
you wrote the caption also, my universe.
yeah. So yeah, actually,
Yeah, this is so pretty.
that's
says
her.
that
We
quite
named her
often.
Jahan Ara.
Jahan.
So she's our Jahan.
Cute. I can't stop talking about her. She's
Same.
the cutest
Same.
person. Okay. When can fans expect any project together? जल्दी से बता दे please हमारे लिए. कुछ interesting आ रहा है जहाँ पे हमें Orhan देखने को मिलेंगे.
Soon, inshallah. Yeah.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm excited. for
Working
that.
on something.
We're working on a couple of
I know
things.
that, but like I'm not going to tell you guys.
Oh.
DM me later. आप
मैं तो
आपके
आपको थोड़ा
fans
सा
से
idea-
आपस की
हाँ।
बात है मुझे literally DM करते हैं